This Build Redux Gaming Desktop is designed for one clear purpose: serious performance without complications. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 9700X and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. This machine is built to handle modern gaming, streaming, and content creation with ease, while keeping everything simple for users who don't want to build a PC from scratch. From the outside, the system keeps a clean and minimal design approach. Instead of loud, aggressive gaming aesthetics, it focuses on a more refined and modern look that fits into both gaming setups and professional environments. The tempered glass side panel gives a clear view of the internal components, showcasing a neat and well-organized build. Inside, performance is where this PC really proves its value. The Ryzen 9700X delivers fast and efficient CPU power for gaming and multitasking. Whether you're running demanding games, switching between multiple applications, streaming gameplay, or editing content, the system stays responsive without noticeable slowdowns. The RTX 5070 GPU is the highlight for gaming performance. It handles modern AAA titles with strong frame rates and high graphical settings, including ray tracing effects that make environments look more realistic and immersive. Competitive games also run extremely smoothly, offering high FPS performance that benefits fast reaction gameplay. With support for advanced NVIDIA technologies like DLSS and AI-based frame generation, performance feels even more optimized across newer titles. At 1440p resolution, this gaming desktop really shows its strength. Games load quickly, textures look sharp, and frame rates remain stable even in graphically intense scenes. It delivers a smooth and consistent experience that feels ready for current and upcoming game releases. Cooling is handled by a 240mm liquid cooling system, which helps maintain stable temperatures even under heavy load. One of the noticeable benefits is how quiet the system remains during gaming sessions. Even when the hardware is pushed, the noise levels stay controlled, which is great for both gaming immersion and streaming setups. The system also includes 16 GB of DDR5 memory, which provides fast multitasking and smooth system performance across modern applications. Combined with a 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, boot times are fast, game loading is quick, and overall system responsiveness feels snappy and efficient. One of the biggest advantages of this Build Redux PC is convenience. Instead of dealing with compatibility checks, assembly, cable management, BIOS configuration, and driver installation, everything comes pre-built and ready to use. You simply plug it in, install your games, and start playing immediately. For many users, this simplicity is a major advantage over building a custom PC. It removes the technical barrier while still delivering strong, high-end gaming performance. The RTX 5070 also helps future-proof the system with support for next-generation gaming features like ray tracing improvements, AI-enhanced rendering, and performance optimization tools. This makes it a solid option for users who want long-term gaming capability without needing frequent upgrades. Overall, the Build Redux Gaming Desktop with Ryzen 9700X and RTX 5070 delivers a strong combination of power, efficiency, cooling, and ease of use. It is well suited for gamers, streamers, and creators who want a reliable high-performance system that is ready for modern and future gaming demands. Hi guys, if you want to buy this Build Redux Gaming Desktop PC, AMD Ryzen 9700X CPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, 16 GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, 240mm liquid CPU cooler, Windows 11 Home, high-performance computer, then please visit the link provided in the description.